clients are not always very forthcoming, and you have to keep asking questions. And the more questions you ask, the more it comes out.
Right. Yeah. Sometimes people just don't they're not forthcoming with the full amount of information. And this is why when as an attorney, and I guess in anything you do, you really got to dig down a little bit because the first time, whatever people tell you isn't quite full story and isn't always quite truthful. I had a woman yesterday who was speaking to me and she was telling me all this stuff and they're challenging this deed. Whatever. But anyway, there's issues with that. When you start looking things up there, it's what the client perceives to be true isn't quite, not that it's not true, but it's not as forceful or as strong as they would think in terms of legal issues. So.
And I hope to have this client on. She's one of my friends. Hope to have it on soon. She has a great case, which is ridiculous. It's like, it's out of this world, soap opera kind of thing.
Anyway, but yeah, so what happens is clients come in and they tell you their story. And then once you dig in a little bit and really kind of cross-examine them, they start coming back and you start pulling back some of the layers and find out, well, it's not all quite what you said it originally said.
Yes, and I'm sure you do the same thing. I try to tell my clients at the very beginning, you're hiring me. You came to me.
Right.
Yeah.
Tell
me everything. I'm not going to judge you.
Right. Tell me the good, bad, and the ugly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I can do my job better.
Correct.
So I don't have to figure it out later on.
Because it's harder when you have to figure it out. If they just tell the truth, then you can focus on something else.
Exactly.
And to distract you with something.